at Lithgow. We're actually just stopping here just to have a lunch, and then after that we're gonna go to Mudgee. So that's the plan, and we're now looking for a restaurant or a cafe where we can have lunch. Kids meal. You like it? It comes with a fry. And mine is pork marrow with salad on the side.
Hey guys, so this is a kitchen at the Mudgee Holiday Park. Look at this barbecue grill. So Gavin and I are playing, and this is Jem preparing our dinner. Yeah, this is what we're eating. We're gonna enjoy all these things.
Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We had a good lunch.
Look how clean their kitchen is. This is one of the things you should look for when you go on a camping site. They've got fans so you won't feel hot. And this is the best part of this camping site. Come here. A billiard table. A huge dining table. They have a little bit of arcade. And the best of all, they've got toys for kids and a ping pong table. Just watch us while we play, guys. We're gonna play the billiards later. Gavin and I will play, and let's see who wins this game. Nope. Oh.
Oh.
No, I prefer something where it's more action-packed. No.
Right?
Hi everyone, we are now here in Mudgee, still in New South Wales. We're actually on the countryside. It's beautiful. We've seen a lot of beautiful spots while we were driving here, and it's too hot, definitely, because it's summertime. So now we're just chilling here in the pool. There's just a small pool here in this caravan park, and we're gonna stay here overnight. Then tomorrow we're gonna go to Dubbo to continue our road trip. So stay with us, guys, and look how my kids are enjoying this. They're actually having fun here in the pool. It's all what is that guy doing?
Huh?
It seems that he's
Me?
yeah. I'm gonna go. Continue to watch us with this road trip. Thank you. Bye.
Let's video you. Just look on the water. Don't jump near that, please.
That literally just told you not to go where it's at.
You just drink something again? See, we'll relax. See? Well, let me go. Exactly. Catch up. Look. Just pag 0-1 na, mami.